99 WNOR.
We have to have it because it's a fast-paced show. The morning show is not a show that people want to listen to mellow out. It's a show they want to get them up in the morning, and that's our job. And so we have to be constantly keeping up with the newest things, and as far as, you know, making it sound as good as possible.
I like to do little things that other stations haven't done, and the other stations are too scared. They don't have the guts, and don't have the financial backing that we have.
Or the lawyers, huh?
You know, or the lawyers.
The FM station also claims to be one of a handful in the U.S. to play nearly all of its music, 75 to 80%, from laser discs.
The laser discs themselves are the latest in technology. The equipment we use to play back the disc is the latest in the technology, and there is an unbelievable improvement and difference in sound than on a normal LP.
And the listeners seem to appreciate it, since enough of the 18 to 34-year-olds have tuned in to make WNOR-FM the #1 station in Greater Hampton Roads. And manager Jack Radigan says the toys are just one part of the winning equation.
And it's just one more piece that makes us.
Have a nice day. We'll see you first thing tomorrow.
Don Roberts, WTKR News.
Don's done it again.